There are 5 core steps to getting started with your EzyCourse site, and I'm going to guide you in this video through those 5. So the first job is to get set up with your website. So I'm just going to open up my site now, which is all built on EzyCourse, and I'm just going to show you what this looks like and what you can achieve with yours. So here it is on the screen here. I've got a countdown timer running for an offer at the moment, a nice landing page with some information about me, some client testimonies and some blogs at the bottom as well. And for me, the main call to action at the moment is getting people to work with me. So everything starts by setting up all of your branding, and you can see on this site here I've got my own logo just in the top corner, and you can do that from the dashboard of your EzyCourse site. Go into site settings, into general settings just here, and then from that screen you will be able to add on your logos onto your site. So just here is where you upload your site logo. You can upload as well a dark background logo as well that's suitable if you've got any dark backgrounds, and also the site favorite icon, which is the icon that shows in the browser tab for your site as well. So that's where you update the branding, and that then appears automatically on your site homepage. The next thing really is to set up your pages. Now there's a lot of templates available on the EzyCourse site, so I'm just going to create, let's call this new home, and you can choose what menus are displayed on that page. But if I go ahead and create, you can see there are a range of different templates that you can choose from, all split up into various different categories. So you can just choose any one of these pages to get started. So let me take this one as an example. And I'll just skip that tutorial for now, and you can see here it is, and I could customize the colors. I can customize the background of that very easily. I can swap the video. I can maybe change that for some sort of brand color if I wanted to. I can click on the text here just by simply typing over the top of it. Okay, and you can see the site is built up with lots of different sections here that you can just customize as you want to be. Something like that. Now these buttons can be set however you want them to be. Now essentially you can see your website as being the shop window to your product. So what a really good thing to do is to add a section on. I'm going to add this blank section here, and I'm going to drag in a dynamic widget which is called the product list, all products just here. And you can see straight away it's brought in this beautiful dynamic widget with all of my products on. Now this is a live site, so I've already got products on this site, and of course when you set yours up you won't have all of these products created, but this product widget is something that you can set up on your pages, and then what you can do is add your products to your site and these will automatically appear. Now it's really straightforward to add products onto your EzyCourse site. So if I take a course for example, I'll go ahead and add a new course. Let's say this is a single course. I'm going to give it a title, a short description, a longer description, fill in some images and things like that. Now I'm not going to go into the detail of building courses and products. There's other tutorials available for that, but you can see, you know, if I want to set a community up, it's as simple as going into the community section, adding a new community, and then literally just filling in a form with the name. I can upload my images, thumbnails, covers and things like that, and set all of that up ready to go. Now, on courses, you've got landing pages as well, and let me show you how that works. So all of your landing pages for your courses are ready to go out the box. So if I take this course here, for example, and I'm going to go into edit it, then under settings and next to landing pages just here, I've got a range of off-the-shelf landing pages that I can use for this course. So this one here, for example, if I choose that, it's ready to go. You can see the menu bar at the top with the login details here. There's some information about the course. Here's the course preview that I will have put in, either an image or a video. You can see some information about the course here. You can even click through and see some reviews. Here's where you can see the full price of the course. You can add it and buy it, and you can add in your discount coupon. So straight out of the box, when you've created your courses, there's a range of landing pages ready to go. You don't even need to worry about that. But of course, using the EzyCourse web builder, you can make your own custom pages as well. Now, the next thing is to plug in your payment gateway, because all the checkouts are set up for you. And if you go into Site Settings, General Settings, and then click on the Payment tab just here, this is where you can begin to set up your payment gateway, and you need to have a payment gateway in place before you can add any prices to your products. EzyCourse offers a range of different payment gateways. You can see some of the popular ones on here. They're very easy to set up within minutes. You can do this very straightforward. There's lots of resources to help you with this. Of course, the support team are on hand as well to help you with that, and you can get these payment gateways set up very quickly in minutes. And then once you've done all of that, if I go back to the page that I've literally just created, all of your products are ready to sell. People can click on them. They can go either to the default landing pages that you've created as you've built the course, and they can go ahead and purchase them. Of course, you can set up free courses as well. And the moment somebody pays for their course, they get instant access to it. So this is how the whole EzyCourse ecosystem works together. You build your web pages, that's the shop window to your products. You set your products up, you set your payment gateway up, and then you've got everything built ready to go. Now, when you've got to a point where you've got a few products together, what you can then do is start bundling them into different offers. So if I take a look at this page, for example, here, again, built with the EzyCourse web builder, you can create these different tiered offers. So as you can see, I've got 3 offers here going. So my Tribe Lite is essentially getting people into my ecosystem free so that I can interact with them and I can engage with them. They get some things that are appearing in their email inbox. They get free tutorials and tips and that sort of stuff. As a Tribe member, paying $99 a month, they get more access. So they get a community, they get direct access to me, they get some tutorials and some occasional live sessions as well from time to time that helps them to get things done. And then the Tribe Premium is my higher ticket product. They still get access to the community and the resources and things like that, but they also get some done for you services. So the free section goes into my newsletter list. This one here goes into my membership, and you can see people can buy that at different levels. And let me show you very quickly how easy it is to add things into memberships. And this is essentially just collections of digital products that you have created on your site. So if I look at, for example, the Digital Tribe, you can see that I've created a membership here that consists of a couple of courses, a community, and also I'll allow private chat with me as well. So this is how you can build things up. All of the products that you've created appear in this section here, and it's just a case of adding those as you want to so that people can access them in the best way for your site. So that's how everything fits together. Just a summary of those 5 stages. You build your website first of all, the products get added to your site next, then it's a case of making sure you've got your landing pages, your checkouts all ready to go, how you want them to be. You can use the out of the box ones for that. Plug in your payment gateway, and then you can start structuring your products into packages that you can then sell to your target audience. Hope you found that very useful. I'll see you on the next one.